Here's a video of installation for the Honda Civic and Honda Insight for the FitCamX. I didn't find a good video on the internet, so this is my version. I didn't record it coming apart, but I did record the stuff going back together, and I have screenshots of stuff going together so you can take it apart. Take your little pry tool and pry all around the housing. Use like the claw part, like a hammer, like just all around. It's really easy to remove. Then there's two lenses on your map. You just pull those out. You can pry them here in those little tabs. Just use your little pry tool or a screwdriver. They come right out. Up in each housing there's a screw, so you take out two Phillips screws and the whole housing will drop. If it doesn't drop, just kind of wiggle it out and it comes out easy. There's three connectors onto the panel. This is pictured backwards. I have it spun around, but you can see the three connectors. This is the new housing after I put it back on, but it's the same way to take off your old housing. Take it off now if you haven't already. Okay, once you get it removed, you can see there's the two blue. That's where your screws were holding that onto. You got these three connectors that go to the panel. They unclip out by pressing the tab. The jumper this is the only one that will fit your jumper for your FitCamX. So you're gonna go ahead and plug your jumper into there. I'll show you like it's done. So if you plug your jumper into there, you should just have your harness hanging here, and you'll have to feed this smaller one into through the interior to the top into your new panel, and then this one will clip onto the panel we dropped. Before you put up your new panel, make sure you take this off. It was kind of fighting me, so take off this part so you can get around your mirror. So right above where your car camera is, not your FitCam, this harness goes into your headliner. You can stick your FitCam harness through the same hole that this one goes down. I can't really get it on show you, but it'll feed right in this little gap. Once you got your new thing hanging there, your FitCam, and you fed the cable through, you can go ahead and put up the mounting hardware onto your windshield. And it just pops right on there. That was really easy, you just popped it on there. Don't forget to take off the sticker. There's a protective sticker on your camera. Take that off before and you can pop this thing goes in very easy. Both of these snapped in really easy. I was surprised. They were a lot harder to take apart out of the box. After much struggling, you may get your connectors in the holes. They only go in the little one here. It only goes in one direction. These are existing ones. Your new FitCam harness is going to go way over on this side. It only plugs in one direction. And then I'm going to pop this back in and put the screws in. Okay, if you're like me, I had that backwards on the last shot. Make sure your little vents are here at the back towards you, and the map lights are at the front. You just want to slide that in. Put the tabs to the top, and I can't do it with two hands, so I'll show you afterwards. So I popped the back two tabs in, I rolled up the front, And now I gotta put the 2 Phillips screws in that we took out earlier. Okay, I've got both of my screws in. Now to put on the lens covers, and they just pop right in. I'll show you one of these lens covers going in if I can. It's got these little tabs on each side. And with that, the FitCamX is installed. It wasn't too hard.